We've worked in the live events and production industries for over 40 years and have worked with hundreds of presenters all over the world. In this video, we are going to share with you our top 10 tips guaranteed to make you a better presenter. So, let's get started. Number 1, focus on the audience. Your presentation is not about you, it's about the audience. What benefit will the audience get from listening to you? What do you want them to think, feel, and do as a result of listening to you? Once you have these clear objectives in your mind, you are on your way to delivering a winning presentation. Number 2, delete all excess text from your slides. Loads of bullet points on your slides are a complete waste of time. Nobody actually reads them. The brain is a self-organizing mechanism. If you use slides like these, you're sending a signal directly to the audience to start daydreaming. Your slides are not your speaker notes. Use powerful images and pictures. They are much more effective in getting your message across. Number 3, keep it simple. Less really is more. Get used to cutting out material. Include in your presentation only what really matters. This is a difficult process, but think back to point 1. What do you want the audience to think, feel, and do? If your content doesn't match your answers to these questions, cut it out. Use the same language that you'd use while explaining your presentation to a friend in the local pub over a pint. And try to use simple wording too to make your content clear and easy to understand. Rules of 3 can be really effective. Number 4, rehearse. Always, always rehearse. The biggest single difference a presenter can make to their performance is to stand up in front of the bathroom mirror and rehearse. If you are serious about success, then you need to get serious about rehearsing. And if you don't prepare, then prepare to fail. Number 5 is especially important if you're speaking at an event or away from your usual place of work. Make friends with the crew and the people at the venue. The crew can play a huge part in your success, and if you are rude and arrogant, they'll enjoy watching you fail. Get there early, make friends with them, learn their names, and ask them for help and advice. Ask politely for a sound check. Ask to view your PowerPoint slides on the big screen. You can see where I'm going with this. This preparation will ease your nerves and raise your confidence before your presentation starts. Number 6. Now this is a much debated point, but we always say dress to impress. If you are in any doubt about what to wear, be smart. Smart hair, smart shoes, smart dress sense. Don't fall into the trap of getting up on stage looking casual because you'll only look scruffy. If it's smart casual dress wear, always go the smarter side of casual. Better for people to say, wow, she looks smart, rather than, God, she could have made an effort. Number 7, make friends with yourself and be comfortable. Don't create a posher version of the real you, someone who uses big words and tries to disguise a regional accent. You are unique. You are special. Nobody is quite like you. So stick to the real you, be authentic, and the audience will believe in you. Number 8, stand still. Everyone feels a rush of adrenaline as they stand up, ready to speak in front of an audience. As adrenaline flows through the body, your body will get ready for fight or flight. The lactic acid builds up in your muscle tissue and you will feel an overwhelming need to move. This is what we call weaving. An advanced stage of weaving is prowling, from one end of the stage to the other. Lock out your hips and imagine that your feet are stuck to the floor. You still have plenty of room to move around. Number 9, tell a story. Forget the corporate spiel and all those text slides that nobody will read. Tell the audience a story. Engage in a conversation with the audience and then, and only then, talk about targets and measurable goals. I guarantee you that the audience will remember a story that relates to your key messages rather than a barrage load of slides. The final point that will make you an even better presenter is be enthusiastic. Nothing, absolutely nothing succeeds like enthusiasm. It's infectious. Once the audience can spot that you have a passion for your subject, they'll immediately begin to warm to you and will ignore any imperfections or omissions in your presentation. So, get passionate, get excited, and get enthusiastic. We hope you find these tips helpful the next time that you have to present in front of an audience. Please do get in touch with us if you have any questions or would like to have a chat. We'd love to hear from you.